Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I want to ask you, have you ever noticed the small icons in front of my inbox on before the messages? This actually is the logo of the companies where the emails came from. Like for example, this one came from Lemon and this one came from Deepak Shukla. So if you want to know where I got this or how I did manage to have these icons right here, please keep on watching. Okay, so the main secret is it is a Google extension called Lemicons. So Lemicons is icons for your Gmail inbox. As you can see, it is the Gmail sender icons. It is a free add-ons for your Gmail. You can show the domain icons and you can also show the domain text. And then let's see. You'll just need to refresh this and then it will immediately show the domain text with the icons on your Gmail. It is very helpful, especially when you're sorting out your emails, and you can easily download this on Chrome store. So let me show you. You can easily see it here. So let's just search Lemicons. It is currently loading. So here it is. You can quickly identify the sender of the email messages in Gmail without opening the message. So just add this to your Chrome and then log in, and then you can easily see who is the sender or the icon of the sender in your Gmail. This is very helpful and useful, especially for working people like me. So we hope you like Lemicons and we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the subscribe button down below, and we will also link the Google add-on in the description box below. You can also check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!